Hey everybody, this is Miss Peachy from your WCA Marine Science class, and I am just recording this little video tutorial to explain to you what you need to do for your Unit 5 activity in Marine Science B. It's a pretty simple activity that you have to do here. Basically, what you're going to be doing is researching a career in marine science and creating a poster. So you have a lot of different options for how you can do this. I'm just going to give you one option, but you can kind of do it in multiple different ways. First of all, there is a poster that you need to make. And so if you want to make an actual poster and just take a picture of it, you can do that. Just send me the picture. Just make sure that it is clear and it fills the entire frame of the picture. Don't stand like really far away from it. Take a picture. Take it so that when you put it in the camera, it fills the whole frame. And then you can just send me that as a JPEG file or as a GIF or something, other kind of an image file, and I should be able to open it and I should be able to review it at that point. Okay. You can also send it as a PDF. That's fine too. If you scan it and send it in, it sometimes shows up as a PDF. You can also do this on, say, some people just do them on Word, or they do them in PowerPoint or that kind of a program that you can use. That's fine too. But I also have a really cool website that you can use, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But first of all, you got to figure out what you're going to make your poster on. And so you're going to come up with a different marine science career. The things you have to include in the poster are what a person does all day, like what's their job duties, the education required for the position, the starting salary range, and the skills you need, technical skills. So that brings me to the first site that I want to share with you. So this is marinacareers.net. It's kind of a cool site, and it is going to allow you to explore different careers in marine science. The first thing you can do here, which I think is kind of neat, is to be able to take a little quiz to see if it can kind of pinpoint what the kind of career is you would probably be best suited for. So you click on Get Started here, and it's going to ask you a bunch of different questions. You go through, it'll kind of show you what percentage of the survey you have done here below is. It takes maybe like 2 minutes to do your survey. Once it does, you've completed the survey, it might take you to a page that looks like this that says you're most suited for a career in oceanography. And then it tells you kind of what oceanography, what you might be exploring in that career. So you have geological oceanography, physical oceanography, chemical oceanography. There's various kind of branches of oceanography that you might be interested in. So once you kind of know what the career is that you might be best suited for, then I just did a Google search. All I did was oceanographer career, and the first thing I got was careergirls.org. And I know not all of you guys are girls, but it was kind of a good place to go to. So I clicked on that, and it brought me to this page where it talked about what an oceanographer is. So what is the overview of it? What's the career like? What are the things you might do? What are some of the skills? What's the pay? What education is required? All the stuff you need to know for your poster. All right. So I would definitely recommend this website to help you kind of find them. You can search for the careers here. For example, you might say marine biologist. And it brings up marine biologist here. And I can go to careers. Okay, marine engineer, marine biologist, click on that. And it gives you all the things you need to know. So again, I know that there's many of you guys that are not girls out there, but careergirls.org. actually is a pretty cool site for allowing you to find these different careers and kind of what they're all about, what kind of money you might make, what kind of school you might have to go to be able to pursue a career like that. So that's what you have to do with the information for the poster. As far as the poster itself, like I said, you can just do a pencil. You can literally just make a poster and take a picture of it, or you can do it digitally. But I also found this other website called canva.com, and you need to sign up for this. So I did it through my Google site. Okay, sorry, it's a bunch of pop-ups coming up because, of course, it's free. You cannot print from here or save these designs, but you can share them. So you can design anything. You know, I can do a poster. Let's see here. Here, that was one of the options under more was poster. That was a poster landscape. I think under print products. Nope, that's something different. So I can actually just put poster right in here that I want to design. And then basically you can pick a template if you want to, or you can just do a blank poster. And it doesn't really matter. If you do a template, it kind of gives you, you know, something to start with, and you can just click on it like this one. And from here, you can edit things. You can click on this. Sorry, I just started playing with this, so it's telling me all sorts of things. But you can click on this and change the wording if you want to. You know, I can do things like that, right? And you can change the pictures, you can change the colors, you can change all sorts of things. And when you're all satisfied with what you have, you can actually add a page too. So if you're doing a poster, you might want to do back and front if you don't have enough room. When you're all done, you can just share it. So go ahead and just copy the link here, and then you can actually put that link in a Word document and share it with me. And that's another way you can make your poster, which is kind of a fun way to do that. So there's lots of different ways. This isn't the only way. It's just a suggestion if you want to use this kind of cool app. So that's it, ladies and gents, just a career in marine science. Answer those questions on there. You get some points for a little bit of creativity here as well. And that will be your final portfolio for the school year. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to send me a message through Connexus. Have a great day.